What will happen to your body if you walk every day? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that will surely motivate you to put on those walking shoes and hit the pavement. In this video, we'll explore the amazing things that happen to your body when you commit to walking every day. So, let's dive right in. Did you know that walking is one of the simplest yet most effective forms of exercise? Not only does it require no special equipment, but it also offers a wide range of benefits for your body and mind. First off, walking helps improve cardiovascular health. By engaging in regular walks, you strengthen your heart, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's like giving your heart a daily workout. Walking also does wonders for your legs and muscles. It tones your calves, strengthens your thighs, and even helps shape your glutes. Plus, it's a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for people of all fitness levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Walking boosts your mood and reduces stress. When you walk, your body releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that can instantly uplift your spirits. It's like a natural mood booster. Walking can also be a social activity. Grab a friend or join a walking group, and you'll not only enjoy the company, but also stay motivated to keep up with your daily walks. It's a fantastic way to connect with others while improving your health. Now, let's talk about the physical changes you may notice when you commit to walking every day. Many people experience weight loss, increased stamina, and improved overall fitness levels. It's a gradual process, but the results are definitely worth it. Remember, consistency is key. Start with shorter walks and gradually increase your distance and pace. Set achievable goals and celebrate your progress along the way. You'll be amazed at how your body transforms over time. So, what are you waiting for? Lace up your shoes, step outside, and embark on this incredible journey of walking every day. Whether it's a brisk walk in the morning or a leisurely stroll in the evening, make it a part of your daily routine. Walking is not just about physical health. It's about taking care of your overall well-being. It's a time to clear your mind, enjoy nature, and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Remember, every step counts. So, let's make a commitment together to prioritize our health and start walking every day. Your body will thank you. Walking every day is truly a game changer for your body and mind. It's incredible how such a simple activity can have such profound effects. Have you started incorporating daily walks into your routine? What benefits have you noticed so far? Drop a comment below and let's inspire each other to keep walking. And if you found this video helpful and motivating, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. See you in our next video. Happy walking!